Have you had enough of trying your hand at various online money-earning methods only to find that you wind up with empty pockets? Here's some good news. We know of an affiliate marketing strategy that is not only easy for beginners to implement, but also produces tangible results. It might also bring in $537 daily in additional income. That's accurate. Welcome to Cash Collect. And in this video, I'll show you the steps you need to take to implement this strategy successfully. Careful attention to detail is paramount if you want to succeed and bring in the big bucks. Come on, we need to get started. Affiliate marketing is a business model whereby individuals promote the goods and services of others in exchange for a commission. As an affiliate marketer, you'll send your readers to a special link to advertise a product. You'll get a commission if somebody uses your link to make a purchase. Affiliate marketing is fantastic since it eliminates the need to develop your own product. All you do is boost someone else's reputation. You may relax knowing that you will take care of everything from new product development to customer service. Instead, you can concentrate on your strengths, whether they lie in content creation, audience growth, or even just having a large and supportive social circle. You may make money and help your audience by endorsing items you believe in and using them yourself. Of course, affiliate marketing, like any other business or opportunity, requires work and dedication. You'll need to know your stuff when it comes to the things you're selling, and you'll need a plan to get the word out and get people to buy. However, if you put in the time and effort and take the appropriate strategy, affiliate marketing may be a lucrative means of making money online. Now that you're familiar with affiliate marketing, we'll dive into today's video's special approach. First things first, sign up for the Unbounce affiliate program. The first order of business is to open up a new tab in Google Chrome and type in Unbounce affiliate. Now that you've located their online presence, it's time to investigate further. With Unbounce Landing Page Builder, you don't need to know how to code to develop effective landing pages. Landing pages are websites that are made to get people to do one thing, like subscribe to a newsletter, download a lead magnet, or buy something. They're crucial for any website that wants to attract more customers and boost sales. The simplicity and adaptability of Unbounce set it apart from other landing page builders. Unbounce allows you to make landing pages from scratch, or you can utilize one of their many pre-designed templates, all of which can be modified to fit your specific needs. Connecting your landing page to your email marketing software or CRM helps automate your lead collection process, and adding components like text, graphics, video, and forms takes only a few clicks. But that's not all. Unbounce also provides a number of robust tools to assist you in maximizing the effectiveness of your landing pages. Create pop-ups and sticky bars to collect even more leads. Do A or B tests to find out which version of your landing page performs best. And monitor user activity with heat maps and click trading. I'm aware of Unbounce's many capabilities, but the affiliate program is where we stand the most chance of turning a profit. The affiliate program provides considerable rewards, including solid ongoing payments to partners. With your affiliate link, you can earn a 20% recurring commission on any purchases made. If you recommend a customer to Unbounce and they upgrade to a paid plan, you will continue to earn a monthly commission for as long as they use Unbounce. You can increase your earnings by referring additional consumers. There is a large orange button labeled Join Now once you get at the Unbounce affiliate site. If you tap that link, you'll be brought to the registration form. The registration form requires minimal information and is easy to complete. Your name, email, and if you have one, website address will need to be entered. Setting up a password for your affiliate account is also required. You must accept the terms and conditions of the Unbounce affiliate program before you can become a participant. Please read them carefully and make sure you understand the requirements of becoming an affiliate. After filling out the registration form and checking the box indicating your acceptance of the terms and conditions, you can send in your application by clicking the Submit button. The time it takes for the Unbounce team to examine your application and give you access to the platform is typically a few days. You may access your affiliate dashboard and obtain your personal affiliate link once your account has been approved. In order for Unbounce to keep track of your referrals and properly compensate you for them, you must include this link whenever you promote the platform to your audience. After joining the Unbounce affiliate network, you may be curious about the potential earnings. Let me teach you a quick way to figure out what your potential income might be. Okay, so in a month, 5,000 individuals check out your Unbounce affiliate website. A conservative estimate would put the amount of people who actually buy Unbounce at 2% of that impressive total. That translates to 250 purchases per month. You'll receive a $100 commission for every sale of Unbounce made via your special affiliate link. Not only that, but as long as the customer you referred is using Unbounce, you'll continue to earn that $100 every month as part of our recurring commission program. At a commission rate of $100 per sale, that works out to $25,000 in monthly income. That's a respectable total, especially for someone just starting out. These are, of course, just rough estimations. Your real revenues will rely on a wide range of variables such as the amount of people who visit your affiliate page, the percentage of them who become paying customers, and the length of time they remain Unbounce subscribers. However, if you offer a product or service in which you have faith and which genuinely helps your target market, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative online business model. Second, you should check out Quora. After joining the Unbounce affiliate network, you can begin marketing the platform to your readership. Quora is a fantastic resource for this very purpose. In case you haven't heard of it, Quora is a platform where users may post questions and receive answers from a wide range of subject matter experts. You can promote Unbounce on Quora by answering questions on landing page builders and internet marketing and providing relevant links to resources, such as your own affiliate link. Creating an account on Quora and looking for questions about landing page builders is a great way to get started. Using search terms like Best Landing Page Builder or Unbounce versus other landing page builders, you can locate questions that are of interest to you. Third, begin utilizing ChatGPT to respond to questions posted on Quora. Spend some time thinking about how you can best respond to the question you've settled on. If you want people who read your comment and are interested in using Unbounce to do so through your affiliate link, don't forget to include it. If you have any queries about landing page builders in general or Unbounce in particular, I'm going to introduce you to an extremely powerful AI named ChatGPT that will assist you to create high-quality responses. How, therefore, would you go about having ChatGPT construct responses for you, complete with an affiliate link? Start by using Quora to locate a question that interests you, and then generate an answer with ChatGPT. Your affiliate link should be included in your response before you copy and paste it into the Quora answer box. Keep in mind that every day, millions of people use Quora to ask and answer questions. Anyone who happens upon the question and your response has an equal chance of seeing it and clicking on your affiliate link as the individual who originally posed the question. That's a lot of people who could be reached by your Unbounce affiliate link. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money while on autopilot. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.